Ayushman Mathur sir, I am doing DBA in Infosys from 1+ year now. I want to switch to another company in business, data analyst. So is this correct or should I be in DBA field? Ayushman, a lot of people want to work for Infosys. You're lucky to get into Infosys. Now you want to change from Infosys for whatever reason. I don't know your reason, but I hope that previously in this stream I talked about, write down what you're looking from your job and see if your current job is not giving you that. Can you change the project? Is there something you can do within the project? Is there something you can learn more? Something you can do within the same company before you switch? Switching is very easy but does not look good on your resume, and especially switching from Infosys to something else. A lot of people will question, unless you are getting a better opportunity, unless you are getting a hike like 100% hike, okay, unless you are getting something really good, unless that is happening, you should not change jobs. Okay, and that's why you should look at this. That's why you should look at this. Career growth is not dependent on switching from one job to another job. Please understand this. If you are not good in one company, you will also be not good in another company. If you are not able to perform in one company, you will not able to perform in another company. If you do not like working in one company, you will not like working in another company, because almost all software companies have similar things going on. Okay, so understand that. Don't just jump from one place to another. That's what I would say. Okay, do analysis, sit down and think 15-20 minutes, 1 hour. Sit down, calm down your mind, write down everything, why you want to change the job. Can whatever you want, can it be done in Infosys itself? Because there are, see, if 2 lakh people are trying for Infosys jobs, 2 lakh people are dying to get into Infosys, and out of that only 10,000 people got into Infosys, which means you are lucky. In the chat there will be people who want to go to Infosys. They'll be ready to take your job. Are you getting my point? Okay, so be careful about switching jobs. Do a really switch your job. Think about your job for at least 2 to 3 months before you take a decision to switch. And once you make a decision to switch, nothing should stop you, not even higher salary from your company. For all those who are new to this channel, mostly I talk about the software industry and all my videos are related to software. So I started this live because I was getting a lot of questions on my channel. And I thought the best way to answer is when the person asks me a live question, to answer that question. If you are interested, then you subscribe to this channel. I'll put a note somewhere. I would request you all to share my videos as much as possible, whichever video you like, and we can meet again on next Thursday, same time at 9:05 p.m. Bring your friends on this channel and we can have a lot of chat. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you.